Really nice sounding Dakin 2008 Dakin Heat pump system running in heat mode. That's ice cold coming out. And there's the data. It's not frozen or anything, it's not that humid out. Here's the Power Plus, the Galaxy Side Charts 9000 series. Sorry about that. Good lord. See what I mean? Sometimes this unit has really loud startup sounds. Ah, it scared the crap out of me. Yeah, what was I doing? I'm trying to get the compressor view. This one has a compressor in the doghousing. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's right in that corner. Alright, so that's 2 units running in heat mode. Alright, I'm going back to the Dakin. I'm gonna try to see if I can get this thing defrosting. It might probably might not happen today, I don't know. Yeah, there's no ice on the Dakin unit for some reason. There's the Bryant Century heat pump, Carrier AQS series, and the Ring, and Glasgow Evolution series down there. And the bacon's shaking. So yeah. Well, look at that. Velasco just powered up. That thing's whisper quiet. I don't know if I can get it. There we go. There you go. I'm trying to let you know that it's running now, because you can't see the fan because it's colored in with the grill. The ring has not been running. Actually, the Galaxy might be starting to freeze up a little bit. I don't know. this one, yeah, this one has not been running. I'll try to turn it on in the next video. Ah, God, shut off. Hasn't even ran along. It already shut off. So now we got the Lasco Evolution Series package unit running in the Dakin. Actually, I think this one has... Oh yeah, this one's been running. I didn't get it on video, but it has been. It's a little iced up. So, yeah. Anyways. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. And that'll be it.